Welcome to Lesson 1-4. Today we're going to be talking about comparing numbers with inequalities. Here are our learning objectives for this lesson. Make sure you have these down somewhere so you know exactly what we're going to be doing. Here's our introductory problem. Make sure you read it, see what it's asking for, see if you can get an answer, and then go ahead and play the video and keep going. So we're going to compare and order integers using inequality symbols. So now once we understand how to determine which integers are greater, we can compare the integers using symbols. We can use these inequality symbols to compare and order integers. Now we've known the greater than, the less than, and the equal to, but now we're going to have the not equal to. So that's equal to with a line through it. And the other thing we're going to be talking about is absolute value. So the first two should be review. So what I want you to do is pause the video and figure out these first two, which inequality symbol goes in. Pause the video, do the work, and then hit play and see how you did. Okay, so what you should have gotten is that -2 is greater than -4. So if we put on our number line here, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, here's -4, here's -2. -2 is to the right of -4, so it is larger. Okay. For the next one, -4 should be less than 4. So if I got -4, if I count by twos, you'll see -4 is here and 4 is here. So 4 is to the right, so it is greater than. Now for this last one, absolute value, when you have the absolute value of any number, what do you get is the positive form of that number. So if you have the absolute value of -2, that's equal to 2. If you have the absolute value of 5, 5 is already positive, so the absolute value doesn't do anything. So really for this one, when they take the absolute value of -4, it just makes it a positive 4. So we're comparing 4 and 4 together, which would make it equal to. So those are equal because the absolute value of -4 is 4. Here's the completed example. Go ahead and read through it and see how you did from earlier. Here are our review. Okay, remember greater than, represented by the inequality symbol where the alligator is opening to the left. We've got less than, this inequality symbol where the alligator is opening to the right. Equal to, we should know that sign. Not equal to is the equal to with a slash through it. And then integers are positive or negative whole numbers, so no decimals or fractions. That's what an integer is.